friends, this side Vijay Kumar. You are watching Average Classmate YouTube channel, and I'm back with another interesting and informative video. So, we have today the same data set, Global Superstore, and I'm hoping that you know from where we have downloaded this data. And if you don't, then you can check out my previous videos. The link is available in the description below. There I have mentioned the site from which I have downloaded this data. Today we are going to see how to delete blank rows and clean our data. If you see, we have 1000 rows and we have blank rows in this data sets, and that rows we are going to delete. Let's select the entire data set, control shift right arrow, control shift down. And because we have blank rows, so selecting the entire data sets will take time, and depending upon the volume of your data, it may take time to select the data. So this is the wrong method to select the entire data sets. Let's go and see the right method. So to select the entire data set in one go, there is a shortcut key, control shift and and key. This way we have selected the entire data range. Now press control G, go in special, go in blank. This option we need to check and click OK. Now see guys, entire blank cells in my selection areas got selected. I don't want to delete this record. Here we have data. However, we don't have data for this particular field. That's fine. I want to keep this data. Okay, I just want to delete entire blank rows. So this control G method is not working here because it is going to select each blank cell, and that blank cell will be deleted. The right method to delete blank rows from this type of dataset is here. Control Shift and I'll select the entire data range one more time. Now Control Shift L to apply filter on this dataset. Now, now I can go here and select blanks only. Now let's select the range from here till last cell of my dataset. Control Shift and key. Last cell was X1017. All right, now press Shift Tab to select the entire datasets. Now Control minus. Let's open the filter. Now this way I have deleted only blank rows from my datasets. You can see the count 1000 which we had. So this was the right technique to delete blank rows from your datasets. Thank you.